Hi Shihaz, how are you? Hi Leo, can you see my screen and my voice is clear, guys? If you can confirm, perfect. Okay, so who all are there? Hi, good. So let's start in a minute maybe. Yeah, it's already 9 o'clock, so we can start. Okay, so we have around mm 13 queries. I'll just read out which all queries we have. We have Hindustan oil exploration. I guess it's by Leo. You. Uh, Arrow Green, Sun TV, HFCL, PFC, SBI, Himmat Seed, NCC, Sakar, International Intelconf, GMDC, Suprajit, GRSE. So there are around 13 queries we have, guys. Uh, no volume. Okay. Is it for everyone or others can hear me? Can someone confirm? Okay, Shihaz can hear clearly. So Leo, maybe you can check your speakers, I think. Hi, Bina. Great. So can we start now? Let's go from Leo, as Leo is here already. Uh, First, oil exploration. Hind oil. Did we cover this script last time? I think last streaming you are not there, Leo. I think so. We missed out on this script maybe. So this is a daily chart of oil. It looks in consolidation, but still uptrending. So trend is really good. Weekly chart is also good. You see the trend here. Just draw the trend here. Yeah, this is the trend. So this looks good on weekly. Sorry, monthly is also good, and it's quite a good chart actually. On monthly, you see here it will try to, or it already attempted to overcome the peak here, and it will try again here, something like this on monthly charts, right? So it's still little bit, far from the highest resistance it has. So it will take some time. Let me quickly check how were the earnings for this. Uh, Hindustan Oil. Yeah, so earnings I think are due on date. Let's check the date. Okay, it's on 29th, so it's upcoming. And the chart shows earnings. There are some expectations basically. So you should keep an eye on earnings. You can ask me on 30th or 31st or 1st, whatever, and I can confirm how were the earnings for Hindustan Oil. But looking at the chart, it looks good. Your question is you're holding at 106 short to medium. I'm holding 1100 units over 1.5 years. What should be the outlook forward? I think outlook looks great. And 106 is already you are in good profit, decent profit, not great profits. But I think it's time for you to hold this at least for this quarter. Check the result this quarter. If they're not good, you can note down this SL, which is around your buying price, which is 106. So your SL should be around 110. You may not make much profit here, or even 108 if you can allow. But I think this is a good chart and it should post a good result, and you should be looking at the targets somewhere around 140. 140 should be the target once it posts results on 29th. So before result it will go a little bit up, and after results it should attempt 165 for this quarter. Yeah, so your maximum reward is around 168, 165, or similar to this range, 165. You can ask me, you can always ask me the exact target, in the group, and I can tell you. And after the earnings also, you can remind me. Yeah. So I hope that is helpful. But chart looks good, really good. Let's move on to next one. Okay. Hi, Sunil. Sunil D. Hi, Sunil DV. Hi, DV. Okay. Clear. Okay. Good. So next we go to Arrow Green by Bina Joe. Arrow Green. Honestly, I never heard about this company, but the name sounds good. Arrow Green. Is it a BSc company? Huh. Arrow Green Tech, I believe this one. Okay, so this is a monthly chart. Wait. Okay, this is a monthly chart. Monthly chart isn't looking so good, but the good thing is you see here it's making a recovery here on monthly chart, which is significant, right? So whatever happened is here the past, and now it is trying to recover from the bottom, maybe because of I don't know about much about the qualitative fundamentals of the company, but looks like maybe there might be some positive things happening on the green energy and stuff like that. So it is showing some recovery here on charts. And let's check weekly charts. Sorry for this. Okay, this is weekly chart, again the same. There is a sharp recovery here, this one, which looks good on charts. Then we see daily. Okay, daily also is good. There is no specific pattern, or it's following, but it is continuously going up. So we need to confirm this buying with the fundamentals of the company. If the company is good, if they're posting good results, or what is happening fundamentally here. So Arrow Green Tech, I can see it posted very good results. I think that's the reason this buying is coming. So I think you should, this is a good stock, good company to hold. Market cap is very small, which is normally I don't recommend very small market cap companies. It's 230 crores around. So you need to be a little careful on that point. And your question is its existing price at 73 and view 3 to 6 months. Existing price is 73 is wonderful price. I think you're already in good profits. So you identified a good company and you're invested in this. So somewhere here you might have bought, I guess, somewhere in February 21, if it is recent, right? So you can keep it holding. This bar shows this result was on 24th, and this bar shows that the results were good. I think it is on upper circuit maybe on this day. So your target should be around, I mean, I'll give you a stop loss first. This is your stop loss around 140. You can put stop loss if you wish to put and exit. I don't see any problem here, and Your target should be somewhere around 200 easily here. This is the peak, right? The recent past. Here it will make a recovery. So to cross 200, probably it will need a better next quarter. And I mean, if anyways, you can trail this position, right? Trailing means you don't have to book any profits here. Just make your stop loss as 160 when you reach 200. So keep trailing this till it posts good results. One of the quarters is bad, you can exit. So somewhere, something like this should happen with the chart. Yeah. Uh, Something like this. This is the next resistance. So 280 is for next quarter, and 200 is for this quarter. Should be easily achieved. I hope that is useful, Bina. Hi, Ibrahim. Hi, Suresh. Uh, let's go to next one by DV, Sun TV. Okay, Sun TV. Okay, this is the daily chart of Sun TV. It's in some consolidation, not bearish chart, but it's a good trending chart with some little consolidation. You see here, this is the trend, right? Approximate trend. So it's uptrending since April 20, almost last year. So that is a good indication. Then we see weekly chart here. Weekly is also good, not bad, not great. Monthly is good. You see here this line. Mm, I'll try to draw this one. Yeah, yeah. This is the horizontal line. I'll change the color. Mm, Blue color. See this one. So it will try to, when it tries to cross, or when it decisively crosses this particular line, right, which is around, line is just for an indication, don't take it as a firm, like a commitment or anything by the chart, but approximately around 570, if it crosses, it will give a major move here, right? Something like uh, this move, right? Ideally, if the quarter is good, and it keeps on posting good quarters consistently, that should be the move. Your stop loss should be around 520, or this one 515. Let me read you a question. Fresh. Okay, perfect. Best time to enter is above 560. Once it crosses 560, I think you should enter the stock, and maybe it will cross soon. Let's check the earnings. 11th June was the earnings. Okay, 11th June, Sun TV. Hmm, the quarter was decent. It was not like stellar, or like a very great quarter, but it was a good quarter, right? And it shows, after earnings, it shows some progress also, which is good, right? But it doesn't show strength yet. So it needs to cross 560 for sure. If you want to enter, just observe 560. If it closes above 560 for say one or two sessions nicely, don't haste. Don't be in a hurry. So wait for a few sessions and then you enter with a stop loss of 545. Around 540 you can consider. Yeah. So it's a very easy trade, and the target should be around this one. So 650 you can easily target. Right. Once it crosses 560, you enter and hold it till 650, and stop loss should be uh, around this 540 I told you. So 540, 525, in that range. Okay. I hope that's helpful. Let's go to next one. Okay, next is Okay, DV, HFCL, I'll come back to you again, DV. TMHF, TMHF, PFC. I'm not sure if TMHF is here. So if you are here, you can just ping me TMHF. What is it? TMHF. So I'll come back to you. Thomas, Himmat Seed. Thomas is not here, so I'll come back. Ibrahim is is here. Ibrahim, NCC. We'll take NCC. NCC is our swing, Ibrahim. By the way, let's check. Existing at 91, current and future view, and short term. Okay. So NCC is in our swing, so that makes it definitely bullish and safe stock, Ibrahim. So this is daily chart, looks very good. Weekly, okay, it's not updating. I think this is weekly. All right, sorry. Weekly is good. Let's check monthly. Monthly is also okay. This is recovering stock, you see here. So it's like a turnaround company here, right? If you move this bar slightly somewhere here, so ideally it should cross 115, which will take some time. But even if it crosses 95, there are good chances it will attempt 120 and it will attempt 140 in coming quarters, not immediately. So we'll go to the daily charts. Daily charts are good. I think I am not sure when did we post our swing. The earnings were on 27th of May, right? On the chart, it started going down, then it picked up. You know why this happened? These three bars and later this one, I'll show you. When we select our swing, we make sure that the earnings are good, but people don't probably interpret or understand the earnings. So stock starts falling, there is a panic selling, and then you see here it picked up till here. Now there is some correction which is which can be which we can understand it, and it can be ignored also. Okay, so somewhere here is the support. Now I don't know how much is our swing SL, but if you wish you can put 79 SL here. Okay, and your buying is 91. Oh, 91. I think then you can put a little bit higher SL. Is it already triggered? I don't know. For your buying, 91 should be around minus 9, so 82 around. I don't know how did you get stuck here at 91, Ibrahim. So check up that and put a stop loss of 79, irrespective of what I have given in the swing. 79 should be your stop loss. You can note it down. And let me check the earnings. I don't need to check actually. I'm very sure. Yeah, NCC posted good earnings, Ibrahim. So this stop loss should not trigger. If it is triggered, you should be out. Even same applies to our swing as well, right? So hopefully it will recover soon. I'm very sure. It's a very good stock, right? Okay. Next we go to Shihaz. Shihaz Sakar. Shihaz is finding very unique stocks. Sahara Energy. Oh, what is this? Sakar. Sorry for that. Sakar Healthcare. Okay, this is the daily chart. Looks good. Uptrending. Okay. Weekly is also good. Monthly is also good. Monthly looks very good. As I always say, if you have something like this in monthly, entering here is slightly risky. You should have a very good risk reward trade here in such stocks. So let's again check daily. And your question is, she has existing at 145, your view about the potential of the script. Okay. Now 145 is almost your, maybe you bought it recently. So first of all, you put a stop loss here for 135. Okay. 135, you should be out of the trade irrespective of anything. So it posted quarterly result on 31st of May. Let me check quickly. Sakar. Okay, the earnings were not great, not bad. They are kind of neutral. She has. So you should follow a stop loss. It's a because you see this company's chart. You see here. Probably it has been posting good earnings, right? So it's continuously it is moving up, and that's why probably you thought of getting into this stock. But now once the company posts not so good quarter and relatively bad quarter, then you should be little bit cautious here, right? So put the stop loss and you'll be safe. If it goes up, you can let me know, and the target should be, put somewhere around 15-20% target, and let me know if it goes up, and I can revise the target for you. Both target and the trailing stop loss shouldn't be a problem. Yeah, but be little cautious. Okay. Ibrahim not yet triggered. Okay, yeah, right. I thought so. Okay. Then, okay. Hi, Thomas. Hi, Jamin. Uh, okay, she has as a repeat. So I'll go back to Thomas here. He's here. So Himmat seed for Thomas. Himmat seed is one of the stocks which Himmat Sinka seed. So CNBC guys, they are always discussing about this stock, and even I have traded in this stock. I think somewhere around last quarter. So let's check monthly. Monthly is okay because it's on above this line, right? So good chart, uptrending, recovering on monthly, which is good. Okay, we'll check weekly is also good. Here you can see here trend is slowly it's moving up, which is a good sign. Progress. Okay, and daily is not that great. Doesn't appeal me. Earnings were posted on 28th of May, and then you see here it came down. Probably people didn't decode the earnings, and then it went up, right? Which is a good sign. So let's check actually what happened in the earnings, so we have more clarity. Okay, earnings were not good actually. That was the knee jerk. What happened, Thomas? Here, the company didn't post good earnings here, so it corrected. But what happens is probably the chart shows that it is quite undervalued chart. So it might happen that it is contradicting with the earnings, right? The earnings are not good, but people probably are expecting, or they have some hopes, or there is something fundamentally happening which we don't know uh, as per the charts, right? So better to go with a stop loss of 159 around. Here you see this is like after earnings low. So if it breaks this stop loss, you should be out of the trade. I'll read your question. Okay, 186 worth holding on to and possible targets. So 186 is quite high price. Uh, you can, I think you can go for, if you can afford, you go for 173, and if you really want to be in trade, then go for 165. You can note down these two levels and you can select one as a stop loss. If I was you, I may not be holding this stock for the simple reason that earnings don't reflect, and of course if the stop loss triggers, I'll be out. So I think that's what you should do, right? And targets, for the time being, you can put 200 around target. If it goes up, and you can always ask me and we can trail the position. So I hope that is helpful, right? So okay, great. Next is we will skip to Vamsi is here. I didn't see Vamsi, so Vamsi will cover later. I want to cover people who are here right now so that you know it's a fair deal. Sunil is here. Yeah, Sunil D is here. Sunil has a query on Suprajit. I thought Sunil we covered Suprajit earlier. Last time did we cover Suprajit? Let's cover it again if there is anything changed here. Okay. So this is the daily chart of Suprajit. Is looking okay. Good. It is good chart. Then we have weekly. Oh, this is weekly chart. Sorry. This is daily chart. Daily, and this there is some correction going on. 28th May was earnings, and after earnings it's going up, which is a good sign. Here it's a good sign. Monthly, let's check. Monthly is also good. uh, this is the maximum resistance, 352. So 352, if you are in trade, you should book profit at 352. Existing price 293. View of stock, what's the target, and SL हिंदी में. अच्छा, सुनील जी, तो चार्ट तो अच्छा है, डेली चार्ट भी अच्छा है, वीकली भी अच्छा है और मंथली भी अच्छा है. आपका रेजिस्टेंस इज अराउंड 350. तो 293 में अगर आपको चाहिए तो आप थोड़ा सा यहाँ पे प्रॉफिट बुक कर लीजिए, 25% अराउंड. आई कैन जस्ट लेट मी चेक द अर्निंग्स. सुप्रजीत, okay, earnings are really good. So I think you should definitely hold this stock, सुनील जी. एंड मैं आपको स्टॉप लॉस देता हूँ. टारगेट की चिंता मत करो आप, क्योंकि अप ट्रेंडिंग स्टॉक है एंड दिस विल कीप ऑन गोइंग अप, है ना. तो आपको मैं स्टॉप लॉस देता हूँ इसका, आप लिख लीजिए इसका स्टॉप लॉस समवेयर अराउंड हियर 258. ओके, 258 इज योर स्टॉप लॉस. आपका एंट्री प्राइस 293 है. तो आई थिंक इफ यू कैन अफोर्ड 258. अगर थोड़ा ऊपर का चाहिए आपको तो आप 270 भी लगा सकते हो. दैट विल मेक मोर सेंस. मतलब 270 या 258 में से आप एक चूज कर लो. मैं आपकी जगह पे होता तो 270 स्टॉप लॉस रखता इसके लिए, है ना. और स्टॉक बहुत अच्छा है, कंपनी अच्छी है. इट विल गो अप. मतलब स्टॉप लॉस मोस्टली ट्रिगर नहीं होगा मेरे हिसाब से, है ना. तो आई होप दैट इज हेल्पफुल. Okay, I think we covered single queries from everyone who is here. Uh, okay, are we disconnected? Can someone confirm? Okay. Ranjana Purbe, sir, I have bought UFO movies at 99. Can you share your views? Let's cover this one meanwhile. UFO movies. Okay, this is daily chart of your for movies. It's in long consolidation, रंजना जी. ये आप देख रही है हियर. तो ये जो जोन है, दिस जोन इज अ लॉन्ग कंसोलिडेशन जोन. तो इसमें मतलब ये स्टॉक कहीं गया नहीं है मार्च से लेकर. तो अभी तक आप प्राइस देख लो इसका, मार्च 20 से अभी तक जून तक, मतलब एक साल में इसने ये प्राइस क्रॉस नहीं किया है. तो जनरली आई डोंट प्रिफर इन ट्रेडिंग इन सच स्टॉक्स. कैन बी गुड फॉर इन्वेस्टमेंट. 27 मई को इसका अर्निंग आया था और इसके बाद ये ऊपर गया. शायद थोड़ा अच्छा अर्निंग्स भी आया होगा, बट उसके बाद करेक्ट भी हुआ है. ओके, एंड नेक्स्ट अर्निंग को टाइम है. आई विल चेक, आई विल चेक द अर्निंग्स ऑफ दिस कंपनी कैसे पोस्ट करी थी. गिव मी अ मिनट प्लीज. ओके, okay, UFO movies, quarter was not that great, Ranjana ji. तो I would be little cautious with this company. वीकली चार्ट देखते हैं, इसका सेम है, थोड़ा सा रिकवर होने की कोशिश कर रहा है ये, बट नहीं, बहुत ही ख़राब चार्ट है इसका रंजना जी. इसमें आपको नहीं रहना चाहिए, आपने इसमें से निकल जाना चाहिए. अगर आपका उसमें पोजीशन इज एट व्हाट प्राइस. ओके, 99 यू बॉट फॉर. अच्छा, आपका ज़्यादा लॉस नहीं है. आई थिंक इफ़ यू डोंट माइंड यू जस्ट एग्जिट दिस स्टॉक रंजना जी. इट्स नॉट अ गुड स्क्रिप्ट टू बी इन. मतलब आपको इसमें करना ही है एंटर, तो आप इसके बाद करिए जब ये ना अच्छे क्वार्टर्स देना चालू कर देगा. एंड द चार्ट ऑल्सो रिफ्लेक्ट्स इट लाइक 120 एंड अबव. तो अभी इसमें आपने नहीं करना चाहिए. एटलीस्ट फॉर वन क्वार्टर यू शुड नॉट बी हियर इन दिस स्क्रिप्ट. ओके, आई होप दैट इज हेल्पफुल. ओके, then okay, I lost the chat part for some time. Okay, Hero Moto by Sanjay Kabra. Great, let me check this one. Okay, इसके बाद I will cover the repeat queries from sorry, I'm really sorry. Hero Moto. Okay, this is daily chart of Hero Moto. Doesn't look that great, Sanjay ji. After earnings, it went up and it corrected. So I'll check the earnings first. मतलब ठीक है, it's not, if you see here, I mean if you just want to study, तो यहाँ से after earnings there was uptrend, then it started downtrend. I can consider कि चलो ठीक है correction हो गया इसमें, and it tried to bounce here. Okay, now this bounce has to go till here, so that we can conclude कि इसमें थोड़ा सा strength है. 3100 levels तक you'll have to let the stock go. I'll check the quarter. Quarter was okay, it wasn't great. So mostly the stock will go up only in hope कि next quarter अच्छा ये शायद place करेगा, and in that hope it can go up. But I would suggest you to follow a stop loss, which is best policy in such case. So probably 28th is the record date for dividend. What is your view for the short term? Okay, and what is your आपने ये नहीं बताया कि आपकी पोजीशन एग्जिस्टिंग है या आप उसमें लेना चाहते हो. तो इन दैट केस आई विल गिव यू अ स्टॉप लॉस. इट्स अ क्लियर स्टॉप लॉस ऑफ 2850. इफ़ यू ऑलरेडी हैव अ पोजीशन हियर, रिसेंट पोजीशन, मुझे पता नहीं आपने कब लिया है, बट 2850 का आप स्टॉप लॉस लगाइए इसमें। एंड जब स्टॉक 3100 के ऊपर जाएगा तब इसमें स्ट्रेंथ आएगी, एंड यू कैन टारगेट टिल 32, 35 या इवन 3500 तक आप टारगेट कर सकते हो, बट नॉट इन दिस क्वार्टर। ओके, इट विल टेक एटलीस्ट 2 क्वार्टर्स, मतलब 6 महीने लगेंगे आपको इस प्राइस को टारगेट करने के लिए, पहुंचने के लिए अच्छे क्वार्टर्स होना ज़रूरी है ना। तो आई होप दैट इज़ हेल्पफुल। तो लेट्स go back to our queries list, which I had skipped earlier. Mm, I think DV had HFCL. So let us cover HFCL. Okay, this is daily for HFCL. What is your question? Fresh. Best time to enter. Sorry, best time to enter is not now, DV. It's already overvalued stock. मतलब if you had asked me few days back, maybe it was a different story, but ये काफी चल चुका है अभी यहाँ से. It's almost from 50 levels, it is what 15-20% up, so which isn't a good sign for entry, I mean to say. But chart, I mean the company is strong, the charts are strong, it's a progressive chart, so I'm sure कि company ने अच्छा earning भी post किया होगा. You can see here 10th May. When is it the next earning due? I'm not sure. बट जो लास्ट अर्निंग था इसका, इट्स अ वेरी गुड क्वार्टर दे मस्ट हैव पोस्टेड. सो यहाँ से आपका कंप्लीट प्रोग्रेशन है, राइट. तो आई थिंक यू डोंट हैव एनी चांस टू गेट इनटू दिस स्टॉक. सोचना भी मत इसके बारे में जब तक इसमें कोई 20-25% का करेक्शन नहीं आ जाता है, विच इज़ लेस लाइकली. तो रिस्क रिवॉर्ड इज़ हॉरिबल. जस्ट फॉरगेट अबाउट दिस गेटिंग इनटू दिस स्टॉक. मतलब आपको अगर बाई चांस मिल गया 50 के रेंज में तो यू कैन थिंक ऑफ, नहीं तो आप इसको अभी के लिए तो छोड़ दीजिए, है ना. राइट. सो ओके, हाँ, यू बॉट टुडे संजय जी. आई थिंक आई एड्रेस दैट, सो आप अकॉर्डिंगली यू कैन प्ले दैट, है ना. केशोराम इंडस्ट्रीज, विवेक. केशोराम वी पोस्टेड टुडे ओनली, विवेक, in our swing, I think today or yesterday. So Kesoram is a good chart, and if it is in our swing, definitely you can follow the swing levels, you know, with somewhere around stop loss if you want. 84 around stop loss you can put, and target should be, the ultimate target for this quarter should be around 112. This should be achieved if you are ready to hold for like 3 months, so that should be possible. Then we have a repeat from, okay, there was one more repeat. Did I miss anyone? Shihaz. Okay, so Shihaz, I have repeat from Shihaz and Sunil. So Shihaz, in Intel Conf, let's check. Intel Conf, International Conveyors. Okay, so chart is good, not bad. It's out of consolidation. Weekly is also good. It's out of consolidation on weekly also, which is good. Monthly also is very good. So let's check when was the earning and what is your question. The earnings were, I can't see the earnings date here, which is strange. Maybe it's a BSE stock, but I'll check in my system. Just give me a minute. Okay, Sony Abhijit, my query about SBI was also repeat, sir. Oh, okay, TMHFF is Sony Abhijit. Okay, I actually Didn't notice. I'll get back to you, Sony. Abhijit, sorry. Um, so she has mm companies earnings. Okay. I think the last quarter, it's not updated in my system this quarter. She has. So if you can check when was the quarter, then we can check. But okay, what is your question? Fresh entry, you view about the potential of the script. Last quarter was good, she has. That's why this progression has come here. This is what I can tell you from the chart. Okay, so if this quarter is good, it should go up. If it is not good, then probably you should look at the stop loss. So you can enter this trade right now. You put a stop loss of say somewhere here 48 or 56 is also fine, I think. Okay, 55. It's like 10% stop loss you can put, right? And then you target for a swing 15-20%. That's like a typical swing. Uh, let's check. Yeah, I think you can easily target till 70. So first target will be 70. If it is achieved, you let me know. We can trail the position. Yeah, but chart looks safe to enter right now. Okay, without the earnings, I am telling you this. Now next is we'll go to TMFH. Abhijit. Okay, so we have PFC and SBI from you, Abhijit. Let me cover PFC first. PFC was, I think we had swing also PFC sometime back last year or so. So yeah, after earnings, the chart is, it's going down. So probably not good earnings. Okay, weekly chart is it's fine. It's not bad, but it's in long consolidation. That is the problem, Abhijit. So you see here, this is it's a very long consolidation, very long consolidation since 2013. So normally, okay, for small trades you can play, but don't go for short-term investment in such companies. You can go for long-term, but again, you need to monitor the earnings quarter by quarter so that you get some good results. Okay, so let's check daily. What is your question? PFC, uh, average price is 119. Should I hold it or let it go? I have target around 150 in mind for 3 months. Okay, let me check if I have earnings here. Okay, so as I suspected, earnings are not very like not great. It was good, but not great. So it qualifies for consolidation. मतलब एकदम से ऊपर नहीं जाएगा stock. It will not be like a skyrocketing thing. Maybe last quarter was good तो अच्छा performance दिया उसने और यहाँ पे थोड़ा अभी hesitate हो रहा है but गिरेगा भी नहीं शायद. So if you are holding at 119, सो ऑलमोस्ट सेम प्राइस यूर होल्डिंग एट. तो सिंपल है, आप इसमें स्टॉप लॉस लगाओ. ठीक है, यू पुट अ स्टॉप लॉस ऑफ 110 विच इज़ फेयर आई थिंक, राइट. तो 10-1% का आपने अगर स्टॉप लॉस लगा दिया यहाँ पे तो इट विल बी क्लियर कि अगर इसके नीचे जाता है तो डोंट एंटर दिस स्टॉक फॉर दिस क्वार्टर. भूल जाओ इसके बारे में फॉर दिस क्वार्टर. एंड अगर स्टॉप लॉस नहीं हिट होता है तो देन यू कैन टारगेट 132 इजीली, राइट. अगर ऊपर जाने लगता है वो 132 एंड 140, बस ये इसके ऊपर नहीं जाएगा इस क्वार्टर में. सो फार एज माई नॉलेज, आई मीन माई एक्सपीरियंस, इफ यू कंसिडर. तो जब 140 क्रॉस करने के लिए इसको ना बहुत अच्छा क्वार्टर प्लेस करना पड़ेगा, देन इट विल प्रॉब्ली गो अप. अब उसमें कुछ न्यूज़ आई, आई डोंट नो, मे बी PFCs, PSU एंड ऑल, तो कुछ डिसइन्वेस्टमेंट का वगैरह न्यूज़ आया तो देर माइट बी सम मूवमेंट. बट इन एनी केस यू फॉलो स्टॉप लॉस फर्स्ट. टारगेट इज नॉट इम्पॉर्टेंट इन दिस केस. You can trail the targets but follow stop loss. That is important here. Okay, now next is SBI. Okay, so SBI is Abhijit, from Abhijit. 355 you have, and 9 months to 1 year. Should I hold or let it go? 600 is target in mind. Okay, so you are looking for doubling SBI in 6 months. Let us see if it is possible on charts. SBI and State Bank of India. Okay, this is daily chart. Okay. Okay, daily is it's progressive. Uh, Weekly is also progressive, but not. I don't see any uh, solid progression. I think mostly न्यूज़ बेस्ड हो सकता है जो ये बीच में बड़े बार बने हुए हैं. बट वन गुड थिंग, इट इज़ आउट ऑफ कंसोलिडेशन. इट्स आउट ऑफ कंसोलिडेशन आफ्टर लॉन्ग टाइम. So I will just try to draw something here. Okay, sorry. You see this part, the channel, right? This one. So I'll use the line to show you this consolidation, right? ये काफी सालों के बाद इससे बाहर निकला हुआ है. So that means there is inherent strength in this counter. Okay, and of course it has to be supported by the quarters. Somehow I don't see. Okay, now I can see. So here earnings were posted on 21st of May, right? उसके बाद ये ऊपर गया and it is consolidating now. So probably the earnings were good but not great. So it's in consolidation. Now you need to monitor next quarter, 9th of August वाला. और this quarter का I will check anyways. SBI. Okay. Yeah, as I said, the quarter was not great, so it is consolidating. तो योर क्वेश्चन कि 6 महीने में 9 to 12 months में 600 होगा क्या, तो ये नहीं बता सकते हैं अभी इसके ऊपर से, बिकॉज एनी कंपनी गोज आई मीन सी कोई भी कंपनी ऊपर तब जाती है व्हेन इट स्टार्ट्स पोस्टिंग रिजल्ट्स कंसिस्टेंटली, राइट, द अर्निंग्स कंसिस्टेंटली. तो ये तभी ऊपर जाएगा जब नेक्स्ट क्वार्टर अच्छा होगा. तो दैट यू नीड टू मॉनिटर फॉर क्वार्टर बाय क्वार्टर. एंड आपका प्राइस 355 है, तो आई विल गिव यू अ स्टॉप लॉस. 355 इज अ गुड प्राइस बाय द वे. तो आपको शायद स्टॉप लॉस की ज़रूरत ना पड़े, बट यू कैन यूज़ 322, right? 320, you can note it down, 320 and 350 if you wish to put a stop loss. But चार्ट को देखते हुए लगता नहीं है वहां तक जाएगा नीचे, ये है ना. तो you can hold it for a couple of quarters and see how the earnings are there. And earnings अच्छे होंगे तो it will definitely go up, है ना. Okay, so next is anyone I missed? Repeat. Okay, Sunil, GRSC. I think this is the last query from the group members. Garden Rich Shipbuilders. This is a long consolidation here, very long consolidation. सुनील, वीकली में भी काफ़ी बड़ा कंसोलिडेशन है, चल रहा है कंसोलिडेशन. मतलब यहाँ से देखो आप, अप्रैल मई मार्च से आपका कंसोलिडेशन चल रहा है, ठीक है, यहाँ तक. तो ये मार्च से कहीं गया ही नहीं है एक साल से. तो इसमें ट्रेड करना थोड़ा सा मुझे मतलब लुक्रेटिव नहीं लगता है. इन्वेस्टमेंट कैन बी बेटर ऑप्शन हियर. ट्रेड के लिए थोड़ा सा ये है, बट आई विल गिव यू आई चेक एंड गिव यू ट्रेड हियर. फ्रेश एंट्री आर लुकिंग फॉर. और ओके, मैं आपको प्राइस देता हूँ, आपको कब एंटर करना है इसमें, ठीक है. तो एंटर आप लेट मी चेक द अर्निंग्स ऑफ GRSC. ओके, परफेक्ट. The quarter was good, Sunil ji. So I would suggest you to enter the trade right now. ठीक है, और आप थोड़ा सा स्टॉप लॉस इसमें लगा दो, मे बी समवेयर अराउंड अर्निंग्स यहाँ पे हुआ था, राइट? तो इसके बाद ये प्रोग्रेशन हुआ है, तो आपका स्टॉप लॉस शुड बी समवेयर हियर अराउंड दिस 190 लिख लो आप, 190। उसके ऊपर भी लगा सकते हो, अगर आपका रिस्क रिवॉर्ड नहीं बैठता है तो आप उसके ऊपर भी लगा लेना, समवेयर अराउंड 198 भी लगा सकते हो आप। तो वहाँ अगर आपने स्टॉप लॉस लगा के ये ट्रेड लिया तो देर इज अ गुड चांस यू विल you can target up to 242 for this quarter. I'm saying this because the quarter was good. Okay, मतलब चार्ट को देख के I will not enter the trade, but since the quarter was good, probably ये ऊपर जा सकता है। इवन यहाँ पे आपने देखा होगा कि यहाँ पे एक engulfing pattern बना हुआ है on weekly charts. This is engulfing pattern. So mostly it should मतलब ये 2-3 हफ्ते में जा सकता है ये, मतलब ये हमारे स्विंग के लिए काफ़ी अच्छा है, मतलब रिस्क रिवॉर्ड इज़ वेरी गुड फॉर दिस ट्रेड। तो यू कैन एंटर दिस ट्रेड एट करंट लेवल्स एंड टारगेट फॉर 240 मिनिमम, एंड देन यू कैन ट्रेल अगर वहाँ तक गया तो, है ना? आई होप दिस इज हेल्पफुल, राइट? ओके, सो नाउ वी हैव KPR mill from Leo if you have time. Okay, this one will be the last we will cover, Leo. Your latest view on Sirka paints, you had a swing on this. I think she has Sirka's, I think the stop loss was triggered because one of our team members was telling me today that Sirka was triggered, but we could not post, I think. So let me check the chart. Sirka is a very good script actually, because the earnings were too good and even the chart was good, but you see here it posted earnings here, right? And after earnings it went down till here, which I think somewhere here was our stop loss already, maybe 327 or something was the stop loss. So that's really unfortunate and bad. If you are holding Sirka below the stop loss, of course it is not recommended, but if you are holding it, so you hold it for 1 or 2 sessions max. Okay, my normally in our analysis, even if you see this kind of chart, we have seen many times when our stop losses were triggered, the analysis is if the analysis is good, right, and market supports, then you should see this in Sirka. Okay, not just this but this. Okay, so I suggest you to hold it for at least 3 sessions. Agar if it breaks down, if breaks down further, like 315, you can note this down. 315 below, you exit. Okay, if you are holding. If you already exited, then wait for it to come above this stop loss somewhere here. You can enter again 330. I think that is the best strategy you can adopt for Sirka. Okay, Shiaz? Okay, so the last one is KPR Mills by Thomas. Then we wrap up. Okay, I hope this is all helpful, guys, and thank you for being part of this activity. I mean, it is helpful for you and me also. Last few sessions, I think few trades I also took. One of the trades by Nadir. Nadir is not there today. We made some money on that trade, and previously in Savita Oils and few other trades also. I think every session I have taken one good trade from all the listed stocks, so that's helping me also. Okay, so this is KPR Mill daily chart is good. Okay, there is a progression, continuous progression actually from here, from August 20, you see here, which is a good sign, very good sign for a stock. Then you have some correction. It's probably just some profit booking or consolidation. Earnings were on 28th of April. I will check the earnings. if it was good. Mm, Give me a second, please. Okay, okay. The earnings were good, Thomas. So let's check weekly. Okay, perfect. Now you see this is a progressive chart. If you, I'll check your question, but you should not be planning to enter it. I mean, if you're planning to enter this script here, you have to be a little cautious on weekly charts. Sorry, monthly is good. Monthly is also good. After some progression, it has corrected. So it is actually giving some opportunity to enter in the trade. So I would probably try to take a trade here. Okay, and I'll read your question. Okay, now you're holding since 850 kpr mill. Okay, let's check. Oh, you are holding at a very good price. So simple, Thomas. You just keep it trailing. Okay, 850, and the quarter was good, so definitely it will go up. There is no doubt. Uh, it's very close to the stop loss actually, 1500 1485, but I think you can bear for more pain in case it slides down. So 1400 should be your stop loss if you wish to put a stop loss here, right? So 1400 you can get out and wait for some time and re-enter and all, but mostly it will not break down below 1400. Okay, with my I mean best of my ability I can tell you. And now mostly it should go up, right? So you can target somewhere around. First one is 1700 around, and next one is 1800, 28, 25. Don't worry about the targets, it will go up for sure. So you just keep trailing, right? So from 1400, then you shift to these levels, right? 1700 when 1800 is achieved, correct? So you just keep on trailing and wait till next quarter. For next 2-3 months, the stock will give you at least 20% return, I'm sure, from here, okay, from 1500. And yeah, and some people will also ask if it is good for fresh entry. So it is good for fresh entry, and somewhere, okay, 1518 is CMP. So put a stop loss of 1400 and take this trade and target for 1700 first and then 1800. Simple. It's a typical swing. Okay, great. It's Leo's pick. Which one? KPR? Oh, sorry. Okay, okay. I'm so sorry. I've been calling Thomas's name on that. Right, Leo. So, very good, nice session, guys. And few queries I may not have covered. Maybe the people were not there, so that's fine. Uh, Thank you so much for being part of this, and have a great weekend. We'll catch up next week, Monday. Take care. Bye bye. Good night, and let me know how was the session on Telegram channel. Okay. Bye bye. See you. And please like the video, yeah, guys.